Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Darwin. Session before, I already shared about Python tutorial until list, or in other programming languages, it calls as array. Okay, now in this Python tutorial part 2, I start from tuple. For example, there's a variable called this tuple, in which value has a pepper, banana, and cherry. And then I print the tuple. Okay, let's see what the result is. Apple, banana, and cherry. Now, next example. Apple, banana, cherry, apple, cherry, and the result same. How to pick the certain value based on the index? Same as the list, this tuple, this variable, and I stated the index 0, 1. Okay, I take the banana value. Minus 1. Minus 1 means I take from the right to the left. Positive index start from 0, 0, 1, 2. If for minus, from the back one, from the right to the left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if I change to minus 3, the result will be apple. And this, I take from 2 to 5. 5 means it will take until 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. So the result is cherry, orange, and kiwi. These are two numbers, 2 and 5. How about if I just state the second number? It means that the tuple take the value start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. So the result is apple, banana, cherry, and orange. If I state only the first number, it means that I start from 2. 0, 1, 2. So start from cherry until finish. Now I want to convert the tuple type becomes list. X is tuple, Y is list. Just take the list and then I put the X. Okay, now I take the Y index 1. And the result, wait, Y index 1 is kiwi. And then I take the X tuple. I just becomes the tuple again and Y. So when I print it, becomes apple, kiwi, and cherry. Okay, let me explain in more detail. I print X and then print Y again, and print S. This S is tuple. So you see, this is different symbol, apple. And then I put the Y with the type is list, so becomes like array. This one. The value same, but the symbol, the type different already. And then I change the Y. Y index 1 becomes kiwi. 0, 1. Okay, they change the becomes kiwi. And this type is list. Then I convert again. X stay on the tuple type, and the value I take the Y and then print X. So this one, apple, kiwi, cherry, which the type is list, now becomes tuple. Okay, that's the example. Now go on again. Print this tuple. This tuple, apple, banana, and cherry. And then I
define a variable y, which type is list, and I take the value from this tuple. So y is the list, which the value is apple, banana, and cherry. And then I append orange.
So the y has 3 value before, now becomes 4. Okay, in y position. And then I convert this tuple, I copy here to this tuple, and then I print. So the result is become apple, banana, cherry, and orange. To more clear, I can print it for each step. I make the print. Okay, let me show you. Print this tuple. Print y. Print y, and I run it. Print this tuple. Okay, this is the format of tuple. And then I define y, which type is list. Okay, print y, apple, banana, cherry, and the type is list. Now I append the list, orange. And you see, add one more value, orange. And then I replace this tuple before, which value is apple, banana, cherry only, and I put it as y. So y here, apple, banana, cherry, orange becomes tuple. Okay, so simple. Go on, and this type, this tuple, apple, banana, cherry, and then I define y. This is tuple also, and this tuple plus y. Okay, it means that apple, banana, cherry. I print this tuple, apple, banana, cherry, and then I prepare one more tuple, y, orange. Okay, I then add it. Actually, this is same as appends, just different way or different method. Up to you. Which one do you like? Now go to the looping. This tuple, I want to print the value for its index. So I use for. For is looping. For x in this tuple, and then I print it. Apple, banana, cherry. Okay, one example I give you. What's the difference? Why? I do not use this tuple. Directly print this tuple. Different result. If I print directly this tuple, the format is in tuple. Okay, but if I do a looping here, the format is string, string, string. Okay. Next, this is the looping for two methods. The first is for x in the tuple variable. The second for I in range. So I print in range. Range means from 0 until when? Until the length of this tuple. Okay, and then I print. If I use this way, range, you need index. That's why this tuple I put the I. This is one, I. You know? And the result is apple, banana, cherry. So I repeat again. When I print the tuple directly without looping, the result is in tuple format. But when I do a looping, the result is become string type. Next example, looping, you can use for, you can use while. If I use while, I need an index. For example, I start from 0. Okay, 0. As long as 0 is smaller than the length of the tuple, and then I will print it. After that, I increase the index. So start from 0. 0 less is lower than the 3. The line is 3. Apple, banana, cherry. 0 is lower than the 3. And then I print it. And then 0 become 1. 1 is here. I take the banana, and then I take the cherry. How to concat the tuple? Just use operation addition plus. Okay. And then how to repeat, how to duplicate the tuple? Just use star, the symbol, and the number. If I change to 3, it repeats 3 times. Apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry. You already know about the risk. The second is tuple, and the third is set. Okay, in mathematics, you already know about the sets. Okay, sets in math. Okay, here this is a set. Set apple, banana, cherry. I print it. Okay, cherry, banana, apple. And then I want to combine string, Boolean, and number. No problem. But in sets, it will order automatically. Okay. And the next, I want to print it same as before, looping, and then print. Oh, one more. I want to give you example. How if I duplicate it? What are the result? The result is no duplicate. That's the difference. For set, you cannot duplicate it. Banana, banana, banana. Okay, the set only pick one. Now I go to this. I want to check. This set apple, banana, cherry. Print. Does it has banana in this set? Is yes, then true. Okay, I can say that this is the short syntax. Now I want to add to set. In tuple, say that as append. Okay, add the orange. So the result is cherry, banana, apple, and orange. I want to update. Update here, same as append. Okay, you see, combine them. And then now I want to update from the list. This is set type. This is list type. Just update. Update, and then they will be combined. Print this set. Cherry, apple, kiwi, banana, orange. And the type is set. Okay, I want to try one more. Cherry. What happens? Okay, cherry on the one-time shoot. Now I want to remove the banana. Just remove method. Apple, cherry. Oh, cherry, apple. Now I want to discard. Discard same as remove. Now I want to pop. This set I pop. Okay, pop, it means that what value, what string did I pop? Okay, this is the cherry. Pop is means that start from the last one. And what is the result after that? This set becomes only apple and banana. Banana, apple. Next, I want to clear the set. Just clear and empty. I want to delete the set. Print, delete. That's why no data anymore. No set anymore. Now I want to onion it. Yeah, this is mathematical operation. Combine. Set 1, onion set 2. Okay. How if I will duplicate it? A. And the A only one time. Now I want to update. Update same. Just combine. Intersection. Intersection, which means that the same value between the X and Y. Apple. That's why the result is apple. Okay, intersection. See, intersection set in math. Okay, this one. You see, this one, the red color. That's intersection. Okay, this is same. Oh, okay, the same. Just delete it. Symmetric different update. We see the result. Okay, cherry, Google, Microsoft, and banana. So they exclude the same one. Or in other words, I pick the white color, the value in the white area. Because Apple, they have intersection. That's why I just pick the non-intersection. Banana, cherry, Google, and Microsoft. I want to take the symmetric different. Okay, same. We already know about the set. And the fourth is about dictionary. Dictionary, if in Java, there's object-oriented programming. Like there's look like object-oriented programming. I mean that like that. Okay, for the dictionary, brand is for model Mustang and year 1964. I print it here, the dictionary type. So the different in dictionary, you can define the index value, not in 0, 1, 2, not the numeric anymore. It's up to you. What index do you want to define? Okay, and now I want to print the dictionary brand. Okay, the result is 4. Now I want to know the type of this one. Type, the class is dictionary. Although I use the variable name is this. How if I use the T1? That's why I don't know. I forget what type of this. I can use print type. Okay, dictionary. Now I want to take the dictionary, this variable with the index is model and model. Okay, two way. The first way, you can directly call the dictionary variable and then call the model. Or the second, you use the get method. The result same. Now I want to get the key only. Car. The key on this is brand, model, and year. Okay. And then I pick the car color. I change the car. Oh, wait a minute. I add one more value and then I print. Let's see what happened. Oh, here. Brand, model, and year. I add one more. Color white. So when I print the X, it says now become brand, model, year, and color. Okay. Now how if I print the car and the result is brand, Ford, model, Mustang, year, this year, and color white. This is the additional for the car. And then the print for S and the print for car different. S is only the key. That's why year, color, they pick the first value. And this car take the complete dictionary value. You listen, I want to now print this dictionary. I change the year. Okay. And then I want to update. I can use update. I can use just key in like this. Two syntax, up to you. Which one do you like? Okay. Now, okay, this is same. I want to change change, but I add color red. Okay, simple. You can use this syntax, or maybe you can use the proof one, this one. Up to you. Now I want to update again, color or add color red, same. Now I want to pop it. I want to delete the model. So now let's brand and year. Now I want to pop the item. Pop, you can use which one do you pop? You need to define the index. But this one, pop item, just delete the last one. Pop item for the method. And now I want to delete. Delete same. You can use this pop, call the index, or you can use this way, del. If I want to clear, just clear the value for the dictionary, becomes empty. Or maybe you want to looping it, to print its value. For X in this dictionary, I need to print the key only. So this and dot keys, and the result is brand, model, and year. Now the second, I want to print the value. So you don't, this dictionary, don't dots anymore. Don't use any method, just dictionary, the variable of the dictionary. And then you print it. this dictionary and X. X is for the index one. So the result is Ford, Mustang, and the year. You want to copy? Just use copy and put in the new variable and print it. If you do not want the method copy, you can use just the type this and then this dictionary, put the new variable and print it. Same. Now for the next tip one. Dictionary names child 1, child 2, child 3, and then the parents. My parents, child 1, I call the child 1, child 2, child 2. Okay, and then I print my family. I want to the child 1, child 2, this one. And then I pick the index name. So the result will be Tobias. Okay, I repeat again about the condition, because in any programming language, condition and looping, you cannot avoid it. It will be used in any condition. Okay, so it's simple. If B greater than A, then print. If same, you can put A and B are equal. Okay, equals. Yeah, this is simple thing, simple example. The looping one, the first I is 1, as long as 1 is lower than 6, and then I print, and then check if 3, already 3, break. Break means stop from the looping. If no, increment. So the result will be 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now refresh for the list. Just looping. This is called list. Okay, this is the looping, and the looping, there is a condition inside the looping. So I want to check for X in fruits, print, okay, apple. If X already reached the banana value, and then B. Okay, now for the second, X, the S1, zero index, apple, print apple. Apple is in the, equals to banana? No, okay. And then for the next index, 1, banana, print the banana. Banana equals to banana. Okay, break, and then you cannot get the cherry value here. Now we go to the function. Function in Python, use the keyword def. Def my function. Okay, this is the parameter, and then print the parameter name, the value, and then left nest. So when I send my function Emil left nest, Tobias left nest, Linus left nest, like that. Simple. So I can call it, this is called modular. Another example, there's a 2 argument, 2 parameter. There's my function, 2 parameter. So when I call my function, I need to send 2 parameter too. And then this is the print is a simple example. For the real life, the real world will be complex. I mean, Emil left nest. Okay, this is the special one. What's the mean of the star? It means that my function, I call my function Emil, Tobias, Linus. This is called the parameter more than 1. And I want to pick certain index. Okay, you can put the parameter as long as you want. Different with this one, with no star, the symbol. Okay, the youngest child is, I want to pick the kids index number 2, 0, 1, 2. That's why the result is the youngest child is Linus. Another example. Now is 3 parameter. Now I want to print. I take this parameter only. Okay, now my function, I call this child 1 is Emil, child 2 is Tobias, child 3 is Linus. So you do not need to make it in order. Other word is, the first must be Emil, the second must be Tobias, the third must be Linus. No, you can define, up to you. You can do it randomly. Okay. Now this is the default. So when you do not send any argument, the value will be used for the country is Norway. So for example, I call the function, my function, Sweden. Okay, I am from Sweden. I send India, I am from India. Now my function, no value. So we'll take the default value, Norway. I am from Norway. Now Brazil, I am from Brazil. Another function, I call function food, and then we're looping for x in food, then print. Okay, looping here, so I can be send the list or tuple or set or dictionary. Yeah. But is this example, I send the list fruits, apple, banana, cherry, and then I call the function. I use the argument fruits. Okay, I send the list here, and then looping and print apple, banana, cherry. Okay, simple. Now this is simple mathematics. I print my function. I send the 3. Okay, 3. Return 5 times 3. Okay, get the result for each value. For the 3 becomes a 15, 5 becomes 25, 9 becomes 45. Recursion. Okay, recursion is another looping style. You cannot use all condition, all problem you solve it only with the looping. Cannot. Sometimes you need to use recursive. So I call pre-recursive example result. Okay, I send the argument, the parameter is 6. Okay, send the 6. 6 is greater than 0. Okay, and then the result 6 plus, and then I call again the recursive 6 minus 1 print. Okay, I think you need to draw the tree here, data structure in programming fields. That's called data structure. You need to run it. For the recursive, if you want to understand it, you need to draw the tree. You can search in Google or any search engine you like. How recursive works. Then you can see the result, the example. So many examples you can learn. Now, I want to play with the date time. Import date time, and then I want to take the now date time dot now. I want to know the year, okay, and I want to know the what day today, Saturday. I want to set the date, my own date. Okay, just print here as you like. Now for the mathematics, I want to know the minimum of these 3 numbers. I want to know the maximum. I want to absolute it. The last one. Enter username. Darwin. Username is Darwin. How to make it? You need to use method input. So the username will hold your action until you key in any value. After that, print it. Username is the value from your input. Okay, this is my explanation about Python tutorial part 2. Hope this is useful for you, and you can apply for your daily tasks, or maybe in your office, or maybe for your academic. Remember to subscribe my channel, Darwin. Thank you.